I say you want to see me and the boy today on the bike. I say Franklin Town come alive. When me and the boy and the helmet big for my head, my favorite ladybug. Me don't know when give me the big helmet. You want to see me and the police did stop with you, but the boy papers up. Me did think a thief in bike, you know. Me say when the police stop me, I say my belly hurt, me want do. Me want pee, me say me never wear my pamper. Me I read the message about you ask who that, cause sometimes you know say, man, this guy is the name. Me don't know who teaching that word that this guy is. You want to see me and the boy today? When him fling the helmet on my head and me and him dey on the yang, I ask him say if him used to do bearer work. Cause the boy angle the road differently from how him angle the bedroom. I feel say that boy is a whore outside, you know. Yeah, I feel say that boy a do road. For sure, so him say, babes, you're hungry, like him have money. So to me, no him broke, yeah, yeah, what you want to eat. You never ask me what you want to eat. You don't turn to one restaurant if you're flexible out the road. I just say, okay, I'm going to go down a vineyard. And people, me and the boy down a vineyard. Me and the boy down a vineyard. Yes. I'm going down a vineyard to collect what is mine. Yeah, my love. So me and the boy down there. The boy like it down there. I'm like it down there, man. Sometimes I make my girl come in.
So long you take for come?
You don't even wash your hand. Oh, you know me not wash my hand before I start the live. You're out of there.
So what you?
You're out of, you're looking a bit rude. You smell your arm and think of charm. Put it from my turn. Me and the boy. Because the boy in my community. And the boy came back in a theme community. So today, it was just an exchange of communities. Where you eat, somebody's son in a box. Shebada, wow. Spices. All right, spices, baby, this are the wrong one. I don't want to talk to strangers, you know. Me nah lie, yes me nah lie. My own right, and me arm green. My bread think, but the boy love. See baby, what one? Them say they might take a break and they will go back to bingo. Yeah, whop them. Immaculate deputy head girl, no? Me I did immaculate head girl, not deputy, not the department. Come in and I'm doing not me a sheriff, no par. Yeah, me I did immaculate head girl, not immaculate. Move for me, so move. Bright, you don't like steal people glory. Where you know about me? I say you want to see me and the boy today on the bike. I say Franklin Town come alive. When me and the boy and the helmet big for my head, my favorite ladybug. I don't know when give me the big helmet. You want to see me and the police did stop with you, but the boy papers up. I did think a thief in bike, you know. I say when the police stop me, I say my belly hurt, I want do. I want pee, I say me never wear my pampers. I say I want to do every single thing when police stop with. I say the man come out in the road, my man have to use him foot and stop the bike. Yeah, supposed to have no shoes bottom now. No, in shoes bottom rub off. I say smoke, yeah. Smoke, yeah. Police stop him and police say papers and license and registration and all of them something, and the time they sit down on the bike so like a fudge box. Yeah, the policeman said take off your helmet. When I take off my helmet and the policeman said him say put it on back. What do you think? What come on, call the commissioner now. No, as I take off my helmet, so the policeman said put it on back. Yeah, hey, yo, take off that. So me wonder why from a jewelry there, man, wow. So I come under the helmet. So he say, take off that. I'm embarrassed, you know. I'm embarrassed because he talk to me and I say, can say take off that, nearly get up off of the bike. He said, don't get up. So me when if I saw them treat here road because this is the first. He said, don't get up. So me quietly sit down back and me hold on the boy's shirt back. And then the police said, take off that. And me I said, take off. But he not hear me come under the helmet. And me don't know if I flick the sun visor. Somebody pan. And the policeman pan, hey, you know you must say, and like him I get ignorant, you know. So I'm my man have to lift off the helmet off of my head. And to all me nervous with pan. As him lift it off, him put it down back. Yeah, what if it's an exercise? I wanted them to have training out the road today for the new graduates. And I just became a part of it because me not really want me and them have nothing, you know. So me just have asked. You see, before me get upset, me just have asked a question. Somebody answer upon this quick. Somebody answer upon this quick. Oh, sister, when you say a training them, I'ma get caught tonight. I'ma get caught tonight, so why they never announce it? They could have put it on nationwide. Me get caught tonight, I look them, me never retaliate. Don't. I'ma say me retaliate, I come in. Me retaliate, I come to retaliate. You don't believe me? Me say me dey go on real extra outer road, worse my skin clean. Me dey go lift up my clothes and go on real bad. And then me no look bad enough. Oh. But since that training, I go make them pass. I never know. Then take off the road, then take up most of the road though. I Tyler Perry. Then take up most of the road, I like it though. At least they might get the citizens involved when they take a stop, you know? Yeah man, at least they might get the citizens involved. Because look how me involved, and me never know say me involved. It's not like me sign up. You know? So I just that was today, and then when I meet up on the bike back now, my man a prisoner call me. Me say people, and that's the sweetest joke. My man, I saw boy determined. No man boy really want me. No man, me I put up myself for grabs. Me I put up myself for grabs. Boy really want me. Me say, the boy call my phone. He just a ring off my celly. Ding ding ding, him a bling off my belly. I did it so. And my phone a ring, and my phone a ring. And I noticed the boy on the bike saying that I'm a man. Him said, babes, your phone. But him keep telling me say my phone like me don't know say my phone, but me can't answer. Me can't answer. Could I never do this? I said the boy ring off my phone. I said, when me I talk to Miss Vinette, and Miss Vinette hug me up. I'm glad I see Miss Vinette. Lord Jesus, I put a little girl I breed. It's a baby that's, you know. It's a baby. Hello, come out. Anyway you catch your belly, go. Go back. Come out. Out. When me there talk to you today, don't breathe. You went ahead and breathe. He's not even a teenager. I'm not sorry for them. We don't have no ears. Look how she have one good all along. Look how she favor her mother now. The world I don't know. Yeah, the boy is a hunter, Jody B. The boy is a hunter. The boy just a hunt me so. I see a beer sitting on the road today. I say, Jesus, Savior. I say, no, sir. I say, Sabrina. I can't do this. I can't do this. I not going to do this. I not going to do this. I don't want nothing stress me, people. I don't want nothing stress me. Because I want in a plan to leave, you know. I want in a plan to leave. I don't know what do me. I don't know what wrong with me, but anybody will come on, I want to stay. Me don't know what wrong with me. Me don't know if me are too much of a hot girl. You don't think so? Long I do no most. I don't most think so. Me a come! My man a come. We are on the live. You don't have to come on the live. What you have to do? Come show them your finger. A calf. Make them ear. See me a class me. Yeah, my man. In my class me. Him the one me tell him what going to the on the road. But you should answer the boy today, you see. Me never gonna answer him. Man, you look with that thing, don't play with me. Can me notice from the other day your hand get very nimble. Oh, try man, you look with that. People, my man, my man there, you know where reason. Me never did want to come on today. Can be on the boy touch road. I was tired of one a little and watch a movie. Yeah. Little and watch a movie, my love. Water come, you flush your shit. Eh? So go flush your shit now, but look how long water come. I think earlier what behind me a poopy now, but your shit for flush, man. Flush your shit, man. Flush it with Fabulous, so. Yeah. Yeah. Thought it was bingo. But I play bingo. But I play bingo before I come on. I just play a couple of games and win. I want to make us see him. Even though I can tell you some bad things out of my mouth. You know, you may tell us to me now show up the lady's son. If the lady's son wants to show up him, go flush your shit. If the lady's son wants to show up himself, he'll not show up himself. Flush it with Fabulous, so. Yeah, I'm not ask you. I'm not force him Muriel. I'm not force him. Lady's son make us see you. He might come him down flush him shit. Yeah.
Power off.
Hi. Power off. Yeah. So I was today, people. Come the man, I want to talk to me now. I was today. Remember me and Mr. Boogo? Tight Tory. Tory, no man never tell you say you're old tight yet. I don't know why not change your name. Are you alone at the tightest set of hole in your community? A man just use it like conduit. Me don't know how nobody don't stay. I may have people that pressure my phone from prison. I could have phone care that I visit them one, them still remember me. Plus me have one when I stop came up on them bike like me Spudgy. So I don't understand how you are labeling yourself as tight hole. Any girl will say for label for themselves, that simply means that a man never tell them that yet. Why supposed to wake the tone and tell the people about your crutches? You're not supposed to wander up and then speak for no boy. Go on your Tory, go on. Remember so when everybody walk I use finger, you use hand, we think a convention. Move. But Tory never say nothing bad about me. No, you never say nothing bad about me, Tory. Tory, I'm sorry. Tory Osh. I didn't name me no Osh. You never say nothing bad about me. Osh, Tory. And the title throw me off. I'm so sorry. And the title throw me off, Tory. Me not read nobody name again, you know. Yeah. Auntie entering the C cup, and me and your son are gonna be teammates. Me and your son where you look for granddaughter from, you better take it from behind me. Yeah? So when you talk about the C cup, and me and your son are gonna enter the C cup, you understand me? So you see any granddaughter where you look for from that little youth there, take it from behind me. Whether me a walk or me bend down, I try to pick up something. That question then a small, it a turn me on. Worse you have a son. It's not a small question. Yeah, interview me. Yeah. Auntie, hear about the argument with Tweb. No, me not hear about it in my seat. Awa. Me see it, awa. Me not hear about it, I see me see it. Me I have peace out in my phone. Awa now. Awa. Awa! Come now, good as. Auntie my late but my reach, welcome. Go on the back for the security there and go be him with your sweat and your saliva. Eh? You ask me how it go. If you hear about it, you must hear how it go. So now come ask me about how it go. Cause some of me in the pandemic level there. Now come ask me about how it go. Some of it look like you want me to help you eat. Eh? Me say me see it like everybody else and me hear about it like everybody else. When you did ask everybody else how it go, when you ask everybody else how it go, you make me know. Yeah. Yeah, come about how it go. How it for go? How much time you and your mate them kick off and block road and talk anything come on them out? How many times? Cause some of you have like you never have a mate in your life, yet you're manless and you use up your underneath and not only PP and not only PP. I drop through you an STD, STI, cause unwanted things that go in you. Come now man, stop me with a reason. You talk about never, you're not girl never. That means no man really don't want you stomach, cause you're not girl mouth after me to put them mother. So I don't know what you talk about. When you want me to talk about the argument, so you come to me hear about it. From you see half an hour gone and I not talk about it, it simply means that I have no interest about it. The two of them argue over dead man and so what? Auntie, you have mate? I can't have no mate, my baby. I can't have no mate. Yeah? Hello, start over. No. I can't have no mate. Me can't have no mate because my man there in prison. So what I do with mate? I must have water. Me not have no mate. My relationship secured there behind the grill. I want. Cause we are reason, you know. I mean, I drink all the water. You see, Jaden and Alderia argue. Jaden and everybody argue. I make him run span the app. Me I want them for mash him. I look for mash up. Jaden I do him tour. He might do him tour. Everybody I go argue. So what to that? What else? I want to find the things that make sense. What about inmates? My man firm. My man firm. And me alone in my vision for. Me not ask you to pay a dog in the cell. What else you have to say now? Can you come about Jaden and Algarve, the girl? Eh? Me don't know. Then suppose him have water for sure. Then if your man out here full of friends and you not concerned if one of them you that are your mate, why me should I worry why me should I worry about 4 men behind bars or 3 men in a cell? Why me should I worry? You not worry all you dear man about with all of your man friend them. You don't know if one of them you with them pants up down in them bottom of your mate. Eh? And you want me for worry about things will lock up. And you have the things them where I walk past you. And you want me for worry about things will lock up where I can't find. You know, so when you lock up a wholesale, the goods them reason. The goods them reason and none of we don't know, not even Mr. Chin. But we could talk about your behavior where I walk past you with your mate in a jeans. Can you go say, but suppose him have for true? We don't say nay. We not say nay, but me now go know on the night like you will have your mate a party. You have to feed your mate if I even ice water if you not have it. He might beg you a drink. Come on man, bartender in a relationship, make a reason Come now. And you afraid about me and my man, I'm tell you say I lock up the things them. Anything we go around here saying I'm in a business, you know. A dumb business. If the boy no make sound when him there behind me, I don't know say I make up him face. He must say if I even yeah, make me say yeah man him feel it. Yeah. So we are talking about now my baby. Come now she gone. Puddles. Where is Puddle? Puddle, she gone. She gone to backside. I can't bother with them people, yeah. Cause them just come in and come out. Them ask some nice questions and them. Which one of them ever stress you? Which one of the boys ever stress me? You know say funny enough. All of the boys them stress me. All all of them because all of them foot bigger, you know them say about big foot man. Yeah. So me never sing and play a good girl. All of them stress me. Cause them foot big, them well endowed. Yeah man. The thought about doing it, I break down in tears. Anything else? I just want to know. See how my next one come over there and say, babes, make sure say you keep the something tight in it. You know, say this slack in this 1 inches. You know, him say make sure you keep the something tight in it. You know, somebody say my body all deep. You know, say come here, Keisha. You say as much as my bottom all deep, it can never catch up your throat, you know. You didn't know that? It can never catch up your throat. Remember you alone can suck 2 body one time and still talk and make sound. So I don't know how you work out that girl, you have the magic school bus in your throat. I never say a lie you tell. Me never say a lie you tell my baby. Because maybe your man come back come tell you say it deep because you found out that your taste in a me pan him. Done. So true him want to stay with the car by the body. Guess what? Him have a class me. Me agree with the boy in my class me in a bedroom. I never tell no lie. Eh? Me never tell no lie my baby. So when you come and you say in a me deep, it's supposed to deep, but it can't beat your throat. Are you alone so too teely and can whistle with the body them in your mouth? You can't have a full blown conversation with body in your mouth. Me don't know whether inside of you echo strong. You echo strong. Yeah. For sure. Me not tell no lie my baby. Me not gonna say, she out to other eat. No. Maybe I wear your ear. And you know me not do girl. So I wear your ear. Yeah. Yeah, I wear your ear. Me not gonna say no. Me not gonna tell you say you're wrong. So if you think you shoot a shot, no my baby. Cause me not gonna say you're wrong. Me must say man this all the mate, you know. And say we could have want the big old girl the babes. Babes, we can't want the big old girl the babes. And you must say I'm bad. Remember you make my job easy. When the boy come in not even beg my ice water and walk with 2 spring water, 1 for me and 1 for him. So I didn't really man take care of me. Out of the packet. You can imagine? My day with the boy and his birthday come and he must spend for me. Yeah, idiot, after me not on the calendar. Sir, excuse me. Shebada come suck me. Me that suck you with one of the worst mouth on the internet because you gotta deserve it. Me that suck you but not with my veneers. With somebody mouth we infected. Me want when time you done you walk like pliers, you're wide. Yeah, no hard feelings my baby. You ask me for something and I want to fulfill your wish. But if I go look for your mouth, I might use all that dog mouth and lick out your own. Who next on the DJ is coming Shabbat and drive them insane. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Who next? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Who just try to hurt my feelings? Who not try to hurt my feelings like my feelings coming about? You can't break it. Next patient, we're here waiting. Whitney Houston run to you, yes. Next patient, me don't know what I talk about. TV what I want with us. Me don't know one must come up here and think so they can't hurt my feelings. Hurt my feelings? No, baby. Nah, what hurt my feeling when God is mad at me? Yeah, when you can't hurt my feelings, not flesh and blood. What you say? Can't hurt my feelings. Try harder. Yeah, there's something that hurt my love. She be about him boy. Me never tell her otherwise. Me never act otherwise. Me want to believe exactly what I want to ask me about. Me never look for me. Me with you. I never tell them otherwise. I never come out and behave like bad man. I come out and behave like a lionfish. Just a flip up so. A flip up. Yeah. Yeah, if you were moving them used to call flipper. Yeah, but me not come with no mafia. And me alone. And that's a wrap. No, but me don't know what to them. Come better than that now. I think your sister me have money. You flush your shit yet? Can you just have to take me out and whining? So you feel better now? Yeah. Go put on underwear. You know something I like when you wear the shorts, they might not have an underwear because all it do is just a swing so like cathedral bell tongue. Go put on underwear and stop it. And don't take it out. Don't take it out. You're so nasty. Don't take it out. You're so rude. I don't even have look by you. You're so nasty. Nasty, yo. Yeah, nasty. I'm not playing. Come lick me on my leg with it right here. Come and lick me on my leg with it right here so I'm not moving. You're not get for beat it for my knee. No, not papa tree. Go on here. Yeah, out of order, see? Boy, out of order. Very out of order. Must think to me your size. You think me your size and component set? I don't like these things in the people. She be a England size. Me don't know in a basketball or foot. Me don't know England size. Yeah, well, me I did dressmaker England. Yeah, well, me I did dressmaker England. Me I did all dressmaking argument. Just answer the question. Me ever you tell us me take a tailor man? You come and ask me for England size. Let me ever sit down and chat the queen it. Me know me little and cute and man want me for slam. Me don't know about nothing big and rumbus. So you come and talk about England size. England size with what? Over 12 inch. So when you never say over 12 inch. That gone over 12 inch, my love. I bust down that. That is bust down. Me not ask you know. That gone over 12 inches. I bust down. Me not tell you so sometimes it stresses my man. The thought about going inside sometimes. Sometimes I make sure me not bother beard, you know. Me not even bother brush my teeth. For sure me I try avoid all these things. And it's not like me not tell them so me in my church, me tell them so me in my church, you know. Me tell them so me in my church, man. But me, you want so when you fold up the bus down, you know, the hand up. Hey, me love. I may not know, but you see, no care how much time I try to walk away, something keep pulling my back. Oh! Ah! Yes, something keep pulling my back. I can't help it. What you mean which church I go? How you mean which church I go? Like you disbelieve me? Unpredictable. How you mean which church I go like you disbelieve me? Talk fast in a bitch. I'm a temper boy. How you mean which church I go? Like you know bitch, more you talk? No! I just ask auntie. You just ask for no reason at all. No man, you have only words in here you want to flush out some. So you have no meaning for ask me. You stress. Oh God. She's stressed. Them are traveling in your community. How you work with? What's she there? She have no reason for asking me, she just asked me so. She not even say she get her vision and prophecy A word. Something. Auntie girl, what's up? Regina. Regina, I don't know you under that name, so we think you come back with the next name I call to you. I don't know you under that name. But she done unpredictable, you done. Oh God. She have holy power in her body. Well, anyways, I attend the Franklin Town New Testament Church of God, 758 York Street, Kingston, 16, Jamaica West English. I can't believe it. But you don't beat me a try. Remember you in your church, take it easy with her. Oh, me take it easy. I don't believe you. My pastor named Pastor Romero said, Seth Romero. Call the Franklin Town New Testament Church of God, 758 York Street, Kingston, 16, Jamaica West Indies. The church in the yellow pages, you can't find it. Remember, 758 York Street. Oh, call my pastor. Call him. I never ask if you believe my God's plan. Oh, cause you have the wrong name. You have to name Doubtful Thomas. You know if you name the God's plan. You know if you name no God's plan if you name Doubtful Thomas. Backside. I think so no fun never know some used to run. No fun, no know enough things about me, you know. Only thing I know about my back road ID. Cause no one, just that no one know. Until your food finish. Evan, now you buy Benz and house for time, man. So I don't know how you come on the upper big food. Enough time I talk on my program and enough on a girl not take E2 when I say. Una still a go through man problem and I walk off on the heel back for man. No for una girl. No care how I say about boy and boy no want to know una still a buy boy. Una will buy Benjamin in a button, you know. Be real, what man? Yeah, come and beg my food and you just come from the program and talk about you buy Benz and you buy this and you buy that. Then come here. You never buy no fridge, no stove, cupboard. I mean, I want to say groceries. I just don't want to say certain things out of the way. No care how I want on the bow, man. Imagine, I take all of the man them already food and I still make man a trick on now. What want, Anna? Make all of the man them trick me because I want to know them tactics. I'm going to make them do it just because I want guide, you know. And I don't mean just so no one take my guidance. Oh, come on somebody. You girls really not easy, you know. Regina, walk on girl. Rain, my baby. Rain, here you are. Nice to see you. Mrs. Heartbreaker. Lie. And then she get the most heartbreaker. I mean, like them something. You're not so flexible. And you're not virgin. And you're not just a graduate from nun school. You're going like you just a walk out a convent of mercy. Then oh, you name Mrs. Heartbreaker. And you know you never break no boy heart. Go find back your beaver. And him walk out of your home the same way walk out of your life. You're too lie. On a little bit of life and this with no dirty name. Eh? The amount of heartbreak where you get your fair walk attack yourself like it never happened. Girl, face reality. Snap out of it. You're too out of order, man. On a wicked so tight to all the shibby. Sex and the City. You did no man, no Sex and the City this. A sexy boy Latin, I don't know you. Then where you come a title. After I don't know you, where you come a title. Hey girl, now run them Judah with me. You could have very well be my mate and you might beat it to the boy. You can't help it. You can't beat them, you join them. No bother with it, girl. No bother with it because you nearly mistake me. I make me mistake back me. I don't like them something there. Now running for my program, so I'm going to get it my christening. It hurt me a while ago, man. And you're a boo of how much O behind it. Like you never make it to the stage, them start boo you from backstage. Look here, girl, don't provoke me. Auntie pretty on the inside could never be on the outside. You must be dreaming. I must be cute on the inside. Hey girl, you can't see deep. Huh? You still love me. Mrs. Heartbreaker. Lad. Yeah. Yard style big up on his big up on his upcoming story on Gay Magazine. Gay Magazine now, cause that's spelled G-A-Y-E. I'm Marvin Gaye. Them a celebrate. G-A-Y-E Gay. What is Gay Magazine? What is Gay Magazine? Me don't know what is Gay Magazine. It's spelled G-A-Y-E. You know, son, don't span this. Somebody can't help me out in a life. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Now because you never hear about the magazine I'm in there now. You go like the magazine. The magazine real. It real. Me get my big up in it. It real. But you never heard of it before. Me never hear about you yet. Me never hear about you yet. You want to rub me out of the magazine, you know? You know, so really a little bit of fight against Pandis. And somebody go out of them way